Hello everyone, this is Will, long time no see. Today we're gonna do a very quick unboxing of the newest iPhone 13 Pro. Um, as you may know, it is very difficult this year for people to get the iPhone as Apple releases those new iPhones, especially for the iPhone Pro and iPhone Pro Max. I thought it was a bad economy and everybody would not have enough money to buy a new phone, but I was wrong. Obviously, everyone was scrambling for the new iPhones, especially the Pro version and Pro Max. I didn't get the Pro Max because I thought the iPhone 12 Pro Max last year was too big for me, and also it's kind of cutting my hand. So I just went for the iPhone 13 Pro this year. Since there's no difference between iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max, I think it's a good deal to just go back to the smaller version so that my phone would fit my hand better, and also I can get chunkier, phone cases for my new phone. And basically, the main reason for me to get this year's iPhone was um, the ability to shoot macro photography. I wasn't so excited about 120 refresh rate, hertz refresh rate, and because I thought iPhone, no matter what kind of iPhone, it's also already very smooth, right? It's quite different from the experience you get from Android. I understand a lot of people will say, "Oh no, the Android phones now, especially from Samsung, are much better." I'm telling you, no, it's not the same. It's not the same. Even though the latest, I can't remember what the name is, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, it just sucks. I sold it. I sold it. And also, I want to do a very quick comparison between this year's new iPhone and the last year, and maybe the last year from maybe also the year before last year's iPhones, iPhone 11, so that you can understand what's the difference and what I like about the old iPhones, what I like about new iPhones. Okay. I got this phone. I got very lucky, as you know, that it's very difficult to get the phone, and there are hundreds of people waiting outside the Apple Store in China. I don't know the situation in the United States, but this is the situation here in China. And I got very lucky to get my iPhone from a bank store. Well, that's a long story. Whatever. Very difficult, and I got lucky. I got one. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, white, 256 gigabyte version. Okay, so let's open it. Oh. Oh, okay, all right. What do we have here? We have the iPhone itself and nothing else. This is just it's a card. It's menu stuff. And this is the iPhone, right? And this is the phone. Put it aside. And that's the box. We don't need that anymore. Okay, well, you all know that it's different. The package, right? This is the year. You have two, this kind of seal here instead of a plastic wrap, because Apple is doing everything to be friendly to the environment, and I'm all for it. I think Apple is doing the greatest thing in the human history. Definitely go for it. I don't even need the box. You just give me iPhone, that's okay, that's fine. No charger, that's fine, because I already have two chargers at home, because I have so many iPhones here, right here. This is we will talk about that later, okay? So handling that very carefully, because we don't have cases now for the old iPhone. We don't want them to clash with each other. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. Always white. Oh, the reason to get white, I don't like the gold one, and also I don't like the blue one this year. It's kind of the blue is too light for me. It's kind of naive, too childish, immature for me. I don't know why a lot of people want the blue one this time, because I always got a new color every year from my iPhone, because you want people to know that you are using the newest iPhone, right? But this year, no, not so much. Sorry, I don't like black. Maybe a little, but not too much. White is always the way to go. So now, Where is it? Silver. Well, actually, it's not. It's not. I don't know if you can see that. No, maybe you can see it. That this camera is very silly. This lens. The silver 256 gigabyte. Okay, let's do it. Okay, very good, very pretty. White. Right? Okay. Not gonna do this because I don't have the screen protector yet, so I'm just gonna leave it on. Well, you can see that we have the book, right? No charger, the cable, and that's it. Okay, let's do the very quick comparison about this year's iPhone with the old iPhones that I have. Okay, so this one is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I loved it really, really, really much. I loved it very much. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, I'm gonna put it this side here. Right? Okay, these two, I think iPhone 12 Pro Max is a little bit taller, as you can see. Is it? Yes, it's a little bit taller here. But I'll tell you the truth, I love 11 Pro Max better than 12 Pro Max because the feeling in your hand. Almost the same, about the same, but this one is, you know, a round corner. Very friendly to your hand. This one, not so much, especially the Max version. Really cutting my fingers and my hands, so not so much. I'm going to sell this one later. But the color is cool, but not as good as this green one. I love the green one better than this dark blue one, okay? So, cameras, 3 and 3. This has 2, right? But also, this one is, this camera is a lot bigger than this one. I believe these 2 cameras, they are the same size. Maybe this is a bigger. Yeah, this is 3 cameras. These 3 cameras are bigger than these 3, I think. Can you tell? I think it's that they're bigger. Yes. Okay, let's put it aside. Compare this to. Same size, I want to say. Yeah, same size. Just the camera. They're very, very different, right? Okay. So let me show you what I mean about I can buy chunkier case. Okay, so this is the Piccata fiber case. Very light, very thin. This one is the chunkier case I'm talking about. This is one for 12. This is one for 12 Max Pro. Even with this case, still feels very wide. Very it's just gonna. It's getting bigger in your hand. You will feel like that. It's like it's gonna getting out of your control. And this one, normal size with a chunkier case. Even with a chunkier case, it feels really, really good in your hand. So that's why I'm saying I'm gonna buy the smaller one, not the big one. Especially there's no difference between the Pro and the Pro Max this year. Okay, that is that. And also the last thing, this is a leather case for the 11 Pro Max. I just want to tell everybody, so far I think the leather case is the best of all cases, including this kind of a fiber case. Even though I love it, I think this good, pretty good. But eventually I will go back to leather case. Looks so good, feeling the hand. You feel like it's very smooth, and it's I don't know how to say it, but it feels much better than these cases. So, last thing is the new case for my iPhone. This year I choose this. What do they call it? Cherry red one. It's not too girly. I think it's good for for men to use. Let's put it on. Okay, really good. Love it. Love it. Very good. Okay, everyone. If you really, if you're having, I'm telling you the truth. If you're having any phone, from 11 to 12, I I recommend you to to buy a new one. Just sell the old one, and you can get your money back. And if you're well, the only reason not to upgrade this year would be that you don't have enough money. I think that's the only reason. I don't know about next year. Definitely not upgrade from 11 to 12. It's not so much big deal. But this year, probably worth their money. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you next time.